Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel which is PHP Technical World. Today I am going to cover the topic of Mongo installation in Windows operating system. So first you have to check out the official site of MongoDB, and after that just go to the operating system in which you have to install the MongoDB. So I'm just choosing here as Windows 6s. Just download this one. After that, information panel. So I just accept, next. So here this option I am just selecting. I am just installing this in C drive program file. So after that, click on install. So after installing, it takes a little bit time. So here I just installation is going to complete out. Some file are copy. After complete installation of MongoDB, then the icon will be appear in our desktop, which is MongoDB. So just click out and this panel will be open. It takes some time to load. So after loading this, then you have to build a connection, local host connection. So just don't worry, just click on connect. Then the database, which is documents list will be appear. So by default we have three documents, which is admin, config and local. So just open, I just create one PHP Technical World document, and inside document I just add one collection which is testing. So this is just a basic information of MongoDB, how the database listing and collection will be listed. In my next video I just teach you or guide you regarding the CRUD operation, which is create, update, delete and bulk insertion in MongoDB. So just for that, just stay tuned.